place to play some retro games. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about a new series of videos here on the channel. So at this point I'm making this video, I have made over more than 100 reviews about portable system. Yes people, there are so many systems out there. This is what we call an invasion. So it's highly possible that you missed out something. So maybe in this revisiting of all of these portable machines, we can highlight some and show you. So from this point we having 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit or just system that supports more than one platform if it comes to retro gaming. I think it's a great time to play some games. And there are so many new ways to do so. Retro games, indie games, homebrew games, and modern games. You can all play them on the go and take them with you. But the question will remain, what is the best way for you? But I'm getting a lot of questions, and that is the reason why I'm making these new kind of videos. For example, if you want to play some arcade games on the go, which portable system is going to fit your need? So, but this is very hard to give a good answer to, because everybody has his personal preferences if it comes to portable systems. For example, somebody likes a small screen because they want to have a quality screen like an EPS of the LDK, but some just don't care about the EPS or the view angle and want to have a big screen. So all those little things I try to combine them in these videos so you can see what does the market have to offer you, so you can make your best choice if it comes to the portable systems. So beside the specifications, there is a lot of difference if it comes to emulation of these handhelds. So that is something that I'm also going to test out and showing you what are you going to get for your money. But beside all the specifications of the products, if you look at the emulation, it can give you a very big difference from model or portable system. And money or the price of the product doesn't tell anything, because sometimes we're having very expensive good products with crappy emulation. Or you just don't care about emulation or retro gaming and you want to play some awesome homebrew games with an arty boy. So I hope you have a better idea what I want to achieve with these videos. But yeah, maybe you are already owning some systems, so leave it in the comments. What kind of games do you like to play on your system you're already owning? Maybe you just like to play some homebrew games. You maybe love to play some retro games. Let us know. And drop it in the comments. So this concludes this introduction video for a new lineup of wicked content. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little bell, and don't miss out any wicked new content that's coming out here on the channel. And I also run a gaming channel, so if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel for awesome gameplay.